For me, the advantage of Ausbildung here in Switzerland is, of course, in school, you're gonna learn the theories, and then from theories, you can apply it directly to your job. Question, what are the benefits of taking Ausbildung here in Switzerland? Kung ano ba yung mga benefits ng isang foreigner or Pinoy like me na magti-take ng Ausbildung here. Number one benefits is, so basically, you work 50% in a company. So you're entitled for a monthly salary or monthly allowance. For me, it's a big help already because monthly ako na yung nagbabayad ng monthly health insurance and then transpo, food. Pero guys, sa transpo guys, is there some companies na sila yung nagsushoulder ng transpo mo. Pero depende talaga yan guys. And then for the food guys, of course, if you have schooling, so that means you'll be the one to pay. And during the work days, may ibang company na sila yung magsushoulder ng meal mo per day. Pero guys, quote-unquote, it really depends to your company. Number two benefits is your German language skills is improved. Because in school, of course, ang dami mo nang makakausap guys, your classmates, your teachers, and then at the same time, during work, ang dami mo nang makakausap na colleagues, mga pasyente, at diba ibang klaseng mga tao guys. So, your German will be improved. So number three benefits is your working experience in which pwede mo siyang susulat sa CV mo for your future job. Of course, counted siya guys, as in counted talaga siya guys kung ilalagay mo yung 50% work experience mo as your Ausbildung. Like in the Philippines, so the more experience you have, the more certificates you have, the better the chances to get a better job. Trust me. Ausbildung here in Switzerland lasts for 2 to 3 years, and of course, it depends to your profession. After doing the Ausbildung here in Switzerland, you already have the big chance to find a good job with a higher salary. You'll be receiving certificate or diploma in which it is also valid in all the country because it's also recognized in all the country. For the next video guys, I'll be discussing you the requirements and the process on how to apply Ausbildung here in Switzerland. So thank you for watching and I hope to see you again. Bye!